Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a post in X. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just find the post that you want to share, and once you have found it, you can just look in the bottom of its right corner and press on the share symbol there. Now you can just wait until this chat window or this little window pops up, and you can just simply select an application here down below, press on it, and after that you will be able to share that post in that application with somebody. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.